Good morning, children. Today we will be reading lesson number 11, Water. It is on page number 54. So please open page number 54. I hope you all are ready with your pointed pencil so that you can move your pencil under the words where I read. Let's start. Lesson number 11, Water. All living things need water. Like air, we need water also to live. Plants and animals also need water. Fact 5. A human body contains about 65% water. We need water for many things. We drink water when we feel thirsty, as you can see in the picture. We need water for bathing. We need water to cook our food. We need water to clean our home and clothes. We use water to put out a fire. You can see in the picture, a person is trying to put out the fire. Please see the examples. For cooking also, water is essential. For cleaning up your house, for cleaning the floor, utensils, water is needed. Now we will move towards next page number 55. Animals and plants need water. Animals need water to drink and bath. Like you can see in the example. Birds are taking bath in water. Here also you can see water is needed for washing. A girl is washing clothes. Fact 5. A tomato contains about 95% water. Plants cannot live without water. Here is one activity. Take 2 potted plants. Water one of these plants, pot number 1, as you can see here, 2 pots are given. So water one of these plants, pot number 1, every day. Do not water the other plant, which is pot number 2, as you can see here in the picture. After some days, you will see that the plant of pot number 2 dies. What this activity shows? This shows that plants need water to grow. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater forms streams and rivers. Lakes and ponds collect rainwater. The largest amount of water on the earth is in the seas. We get water from rivers, wells, lakes, ponds. See the examples given here. In first picture you can see rain. In second picture you can see river. And in third picture it's pond. Now we will move towards the next page number, which is page number 56. Please all of you turn the page. The sea has a lot of water, but we cannot drink sea water. Sea water is salty. Water that we get in the taps at home is clean. It is good for drinking. We should not waste water. Water is precious. We should not throw waste into the water. We can store water in many ways. Like you can see example here. Bottle, bucket, pot, tank and dam. In these things we can store water. Fact file. There is more water than land on the earth. Only 3% of the earth's water can be used for drinking. Now we will read this blue box, which is keep in mind. All living things need water to live. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking and washing. Rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and rain are different sources of water. Sea has a lot of water, but we cannot drink sea water. We should not waste water. Water is precious. We have completed the lesson, children. Please read it. Thank you.